In the tips that I'm going to be reviewing with you, the very most important one is to pay your bills on time. Hi, this is Stephanie Souza, and I'm going to give you 7 quick and easy tips to stay on top of your credit score. Number 1, and the very most important one, is always pay your bills on time. Keep your credit card balances low and get rid of debt faster. That means trying to pay off your debt sooner. So if they give you 2 years to pay off your car, pay it off sooner. Do not close any of your current accounts or open any new ones. Order a free annual credit report from annualcreditreport.com and dispute any errors. Study and know your FICO score and keep the debt to credit ratio less than 30%. All these 7 tips are sure to help you improve your credit score, but also maximize your credit. So for more detailed information on how to maximize your credit score so you could save money and get better interest rates, click the link below and I'll send you a 17-page report. Have a very nice day.